Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy, MD, JD. Today we talked about how vitamin C affects our cortisol or our immune system. And he made even a statement that the only cause of disease is inflammation, lack of vitamin C, which is oxidation. And so check out today's conversation. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. Please subscribe, like, and follow, not only on the website, but all social media. And check out today's conversation because you can't tell too much in this thank you for Dr. Thomas Levy. You have to really soak it all in and learn about why you want to take extra vitamin C and why would you want to do hydrocortisone. So check out today's conversation and please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!